Ever wonder why we sneeze? It all starts in your nose. When something like dust, pepper, or pollen tickles inside, your nose sends a message to your brain. The brain goes, "Code sneeze." And bam, your body takes over. Your lungs squeeze tight, your eyes shut, and your nose launches a super fast blast of air, over 100 miles per hour. Sneezing helps clear out germs and keep your body safe. Just remember to cover your nose. No one wants a snot rocket surprise. Sneezes, noisy, powerful, and totally useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time, explorers.